So this video is going to be a test drive with the new gauge panel that I put together. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks. Alright, I've got this installed on my deck, and it's time for the first test drive. Seems to be working so far. This is just a really simple test dashboard that I did really quick. I've just got a couple words down here you can use to, turn things on and off with. Yeah. Okay, I just stopped and did a check with the IR gun as we're coming up through temp, and it was within 1 degree. Just gonna move on here. Okay, I just got back from my drive. Yeah, the values are kind of jumping around there a little bit. I might need to do some smoothing on that, on the coolant. It's just, minor fluctuations in resistance and perhaps voltage causing that. It's not super annoying, but let's see here if I rev it up. So the oil pressure is responding. The coolant temperature is actually going down. I'm going to go ahead and switch over to this gauge. You can see this is at 156. Let's see what this guy says here when I click it over. $160, maybe. See here, and now it says 163, and I'm happy with that. I'll measure with the IR gun. Now it went to 168. Oil pressure 21. Click the relay button here. See what the oil pressure says. It says a little less than 20. $64. These are updating once a second. I can probably make that go faster. Okay, so this is reading 176 on the coolant housing there. And that says 175. So that's good. Pretty good. It's within a degree or two of what the IR gun says. And I shut it off, and I got my oil pressure warning there because it dropped below 5. Yeah, I did some additional calibration on that oil pressure gauge after I shot that video. I got some odd readings down at the low end. Maybe you noticed it was reading like 4.5 pounds when it should have been 0 or very close to 0. So I figured out what was causing that, and addressed that issue. I'm going to do some more work on the graphics on that dashboard, see if I can make it look a little bit better. And we'll go from there, yeah. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for updates.